Hello everybody on YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to make a helicopter rotor noise in LMMS. And what you do with this noise is up to you, but this is just like a basic starter. I was experimenting and seeing if I could do it, and I think I got close enough. And I'm just making a sound effect using the beat baseline editor, default tempo settings. And what I did is I started out with the clap 2 sound, and I clipped the start and end here. But I did that later, but you get an idea. You can see where the start and end is. And I moved the pitch from like wherever the default is, I guess over here to where the little pitch button. So I started out here and I moved it to where that C6 is. So it starts out like this. Like that. Oh yeah, and I also have envelope pushed around into this shape. So I used a tack, cut the hole down from the default, mounts maxed out, and I put an LFO on this modulator and multiplied it by 100. I think this one's important. Use the box wave in this area. So yeah, it still doesn't sound like the default clap even at the normal pitch. So it sounds kind of like that. But then I put it back to that pitch. Just give you an idea. So this, the envelope LFO is pushed to this amount. I guess I could find the settings by double clicking, right? So tack is 0.1160, hold is 0.1600, K 0.5, sustain 0.5, release 0.67. That's full amount. I believe that's full amount. And on the LFO controls, delay is none. Tack none. Speed 0.3910. And amount 100%. 1.0. And I have frequency times 100 tacked on. So it is like this. Do I have a function on? Yes, I have the arpeggiator function turned on. Octave mode. Range is 1. Time is 6:04. I think that's in milliseconds. Gate is 50. So that should give you just tick a clap sound in every other tick. I put the pitch down? Yes, I did. Alright. So what I did next is I went to the effects chain and I added a sweep effect. And I guess you can just eyeball the controls on this. You can adjust it to your liking. So I added a sweep effect. Yeah, it's in an effects channel, so I can add these effects. They don't exactly work the best in instruments yet. So I have the helicopter noise in effects channel 8 with this clap assigned to effects channel 8. So now I added the sweep effect and I will turn it on so you get an idea what the sweep effect is. This already sounds a lot like that's just with the sweep. You're already getting something that sounds like a helicopter idling. And after that, I add a pulsator. And I'm just going to let you eyeball how the controls are here in this video. So you can see these two are low. That's, you know, just get an idea what the controls are set. Doesn't have to be perfect. These are full, I guess, These wet dry dials are at their close to full value. You can adjust those up and down too, depending on the sound you want. So now with the pulsator turned on, and then I turned on the pitch shifter. Where are the controls? So the pitch shifter lets you do some neat effects, and it reminds me of like movie sound effects. But yeah, it's pretty slick, isn't it? It's like a helicopter zipping by real fast or something. You can kind of do that effect, and I think you could put one of these dials in an automation track if you got enough time to play with it, or you can put like the helicopter zooming by in your song, like "It's gonna land on your head" or something, whatever. And next, I just threw a scaling limiter on, and all this does is limit how loud it gets, because depending on what you do in these channels, it can overwhelm even what the control here does unless you bottom it out. And so you have more use of this. You put the scaling limiter on so you can get the full range out of this dial, because otherwise you'll just want to go out of the range. For a helicopter rotor noise in LMMS, and it's not the most complicated thing. I was just like playing around with it for about 5-10 minutes, and I got something I like, and I figured I'd share it, and maybe you could use it in your music or your movies or whatever you do with LMS. Yeah, and it's not just music. You can do this for like sound effects and stuff. It's kind of cool that way. But if only there was a way to do like a Foley thing and watch a video to sync up your timestamp. But yeah, but you can still get an idea how to make sound effects and all this. And that's a helicopter rotor noise. Alright.